Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Glomageous Business School. Today, I'll be teaching you how to produce this beautiful cocoa and beeswax bath soap. You're welcome once more. My name is Ogechi Madukoma in case you're meeting me for the first time. And like I said earlier, we'll be learning how to produce this beautiful soap using the melt and pour method. So come with me. Okay, so I'll be using the double boiler method. Why double boiler? This will allow our soap to melt gently and give us enough time to add all that we need to add additives. Here, this is a 100% PKO soap base that we produced in our last video. So in case you've not watched that video where I taught you, where I showed you how to produce this beautiful transparent soap base using only PKO, I'll be leaving the link in the description. So just go click on it and learn how to produce this soap base. Do you actually know that you can turn this soap base making into a business? Yes. We have so many persons that really want to make soap, but they are afraid of lye. They don't want to touch lye at all. They don't want to touch caustic soda. Do you know you can actually produce this soap base for them and sell to them? Then they will buy, just we melt, add the additives, and their soap is made. Yes, they have made their soaps easily. I have given you a business idea. Clap for me, now I tried. Please, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, at least because of this tip I gave you, please subscribe. Here is a cocoa powder. I'll be using cocoa powder, and these are beeswax. I'll be adding our beeswax so that it can melt gently with our soap. I added just 1 teaspoon of beeswax, so I will allow it to melt gently. Using this double boiler method will give you enough time to melt your soap gradually and also allow you to add anything you want. If you want to add your whitening powder, your vitamin C, your beeswax, your cocoa powder, anything you want to add at all as additives to your soap, depending on what you want to achieve at the end of the day. Using this method will give you enough time to do that, unless you're using a very controlled source of heat that you can put to a very, very low, and then you can use. But if not, then double boiler is your best bet. Okay, so while our soap is melting, do you know that cocoa is actually very rich in antioxidants? Antioxidant helps your skin to be very moistured, and it also helps to hydrate your skin, while beeswax help to lock in the moisture in your skin, making your skin glow, soft, and very, very smooth. You see why I said this our bar today is a bar rich in goodness. Our soap base is completely melted. So I am adding my cocoa powder. I'm adding just 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Yes, because it's one of our major ingredients in this recipe. So that's why I'm adding this much. Do you also know that you can actually use cocoa powder as your brand color? Yes. Those of you looking to make brand soap, you can actually use cocoa powder if you can get hold of it as your color. It will give you that dark brown color that you want. It depends on what quantity you want to add also. If you want a light brown color, then add a little of it. But if you want it to be very deep, then add much more. You will get your natural brown color. Here is that. So, is it not beautiful? It's beautiful. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, or if this is your first time stopping by here, thank you so much for stopping by. But please, I beg you, subscribe to this channel, as you will not regret you did, because I upload valuable videos here from time to time. And also, please, I beg you, like this video. Also hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I post valuable content like this. Please, I've used my time to do this video to teach you this beautiful soap. All you can do for me now to say thank you is to like my video. I beg you, please like. Our soap is almost ready. Yeah, these are soap. Almost ready, and that is the soap base that I did last time. Like I said earlier, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Just click it and learn how to produce this beautiful transparent soap base. So I've just added my fragrance. Okay, adding fragrance is also very optional because the natural fragrance from cocoa is smelling so nice. So I just added that fragrance. That you know that you can also add if you want to add. So you can decide not to add fragrance. Just leave it natural. The natural fragrance from cocoa alone is so sweet, so beautiful. So you can decide to leave it. But if you choose to add fragrance, you can go ahead and do that. So we are about pouring our soap into a mold. Is this soap not? This soap is so beautiful. Okay, I also sell silicone molds and other types of molds and soap cutter, like you can see on your screen. Like I tell you, I am your best plug when it comes to starting that soap or other production business. That is adjustable, mini innovative cutter. I also sell other types of soap molds and cutter. So if you want to know more, just send me a WhatsApp message on the number showing on your screen, and I'll explain better to you, and I'll get you sorted, and I'll get it delivered to you wherever you are. Yes, I've delivered severally to Ghana, so I can deliver to you anywhere you are, either in Nigeria or in Ghana. So here I'm spraying alcohol on the soap just to reduce the bubble on top. So you can either use alcohol, or I will show you what other thing you can do. Just watch me, see what I did. Yes. So when you don't have alcohol, you can actually do this. Just do it gently while it is still wet, while it is still in watery form, so that it does not leave any scar on the surface. So you can just gently use something and just scrape off those bubbles, so that your soap does not leave white elements on the face of your soap. So if you have alcohol, fine, you can do that. But when you don't have alcohol, you can also use this another option that you can do, and your soap will be fine. So just make sure the surface is very smooth, especially when you know you're going to sell that soap. Please, if this is your first time here, do well to subscribe, please. And here is our soap. It is set. Wow, this soap is so beautiful. This soap is so beautiful. Are you not liking the soap? Please like this video. Look at our soap now. Check it out. Very beautiful. Tell me, will you be trying this at home? What do you like most about this beautiful soap? Just tell me in the comment section. I'll be reading. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I upload valuable content like this. God bless you for watching.